Another way to borrow money is with a promissory note. So with a promissory note, it's an agreement between two people or between a bank and a company or a person. The lender agrees to loan money for a certain time period. If they charge interest, then it is an interest-bearing note. So you might see something like this if someone decides to borrow money from a family member or whatnot. Again, we're still working with our interest formula, our PRT. So Owen borrows money from his grandma. Owen wants to borrow $500 for 6 months at a rate of 8% per year. What would Owen owe his grandma after 6 months and how much interest? So we're going to go ahead and we are going to calculate our interest using our interest formula. So again, Owen is borrowing $500 at a rate of 8%. He is borrowing it for 6 months, so 6 out of 12 or 0.5, however you want to think about it. And then if you multiply all that together, he's going to end up owing his grandma $20 in interest. In total, he's going to owe his grandma the $500 that he borrowed from her, plus the $20 in interest, so he's going to owe her a total of $520. Promissory notes don't have to come from family or friends. They can also sometimes come from a bank. So, looking at a credit union, Ashley took out a loan from Credit Union 1 for $3,000. The loan is for 18 months at a rate of 15.4%. What is the total amount of interest Ashley will pay, and what is the total amount due? So again, we're still going to go ahead. We are going to calculate our interest using our simple interest formula. I'm turning my percent into a decimal, so it's 0.154. Don't forget to include that 4. And now we have 18 out of 12 for our time. Again, you could always turn that into a 1.5 or 1.5 if that made sense for you. But again, we're doing that because it's in terms of years. So if I go ahead and I multiply all this, we are going to end up with it. She's going to owe $693 in interest. Then if we want to figure out the total that she's going to owe, she would owe $3,000 plus the $693 that she owes in interest, and she'll owe $3,693 total.